How to use Walmart app to save money. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can save our money on Walmart. So basically, when signing up on Walmart app, use the option of precise location. This way you would be able to track up your location, or the app will be able to see where you are located at and show you all the details related to that particular place. So after using the option of precise location, you would be able to find the option of scanner at the top in the search bar. Just simply click on that particular scanner in the search bar, and this way you would be able to scan all the QR codes around you on different products, and you would be able to know the actual price of that particular product. So the price which is marked up in the store is not the actual price, as there are discounts going on, but you don't actually see them. So when you use the application of Walmart, you get to see the actual discounted price, and in most of the cases you will be able to find that almost all the products, or maybe 70 to 75% products out there, are on discount. And this way you would be able to find the discounted price using the scanner on your application and just purchase them on the discounted price. And this way you would be able to save your money, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.